Hello, friends. Uncle Pete here, the Gold Caller, coming to you live on another rainy Saturday. Boy, it's been a lot of rainy Saturdays. Rain, rain, rain. I wanted to talk to you a couple of seconds here about circumstantial elements. A lot of you out there are blaming yourselves over business failures or the lack of success with some execution of a negotiation or a sales call or whatever. You're blaming yourself. You're holding yourself accountable for these failures. And I want to bring to your attention the fact that there are circumstantial elements beyond your control that can sometimes ruin your best efforts. That's the way it is. Stop blaming yourself for everything that goes wrong on a sales call or in your business. Take it easy, will you? There's a lot of people today who are not going to be selling beach balls and frankfurters on the boardwalk because it's pouring rain. Again, it hurts their bottom line, and I feel for them. But I'm sure if they have any sense, they understand that they can't do anything to change the weather. It happens. So you have to suck it up and realize that the most important thing to do is to make sure that you're executing properly, that you've done your job, that you followed through on the objectives, and you achieved the agenda and the outcome. Don't expect everything to go right, but don't shoulder so much blame when things go wrong. It could be circumstantial elements like rain that's working against you. Okay? So keep your chin up. Not everything that goes wrong is your fault. All right, Uncle Pete here saying so long for now. Thanks for listening. And until our paths cross again, hey, happy hunting.